Hi, John Ozzie here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Ivan. Ivan's gained 16.69%. He's had a daily gain of 3.78%, and now Ivan is managing 60,000 US dollars. He's had a drawdown in total up to 7.59%. Um, Ivan's achieved this in 497 trades, and let's just scroll down. Ivan's been trading with us from May. He's got 3.19% in May, 3.38% in June, and 9.38% in July. So these are consistent gains, and he's made a total of 1,274.7% in terms of pips. Ivan's won 220 out of 497, which represents 44%, lost 277% and still 277 out of 497 and still made 56% loss rate and still hit his target. So Ivan is managing up to level 3 and he's lost 67% of his trades. So this is not a bad situation to be in. So we have to see what is this trader doing right. So let's see what trades he's taken. We've traded quite a few pairs as we can see, but let's stick to the pairs that's brought him the most. The most significant pairs are New Zealand dollar, US dollar, where he's made 3,906.61, which is very significant, followed by the pound US dollar, where he's made 614.43. So let's stick to the pairs that brought you the most money, the pound dollar, and the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. If you stick to these pairs, you're always going to be successful consistently without a doubt. So this is your bread and butter, and this is what's going to take you to the top. And if you stick to these pairs, you're going to be more consistent. But now we've had a lot of trades, so let's have a look at what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong. Clearly, you've traded quite a few pairs. You got take profits in place, which is good, and you got stop losses in place. So this is very good discipline, always having a stop loss in place. So as we can see from your gains, you're taking from 18 to 52 pips, and we know it's always the 20 pip gains on the higher lot sizes that bring in the pips. So here you managed to get 36.7, which is 728, which is really good. So these are very good gains and a very great attempt at what you're doing. Look at this as well, 23 pips, 22, 23, 24. All these add up. So this is very good, and I would recommend you stick to more liquid pairs, stick to the pairs I've just recommended and showed you on your summary, and also choose the best time frame to trade these markets so you can get nice low risk, high reward setups. Other than that, work on your psychological mindset by reading books like from Mark Douglas to Mark Gunther, which I posted on the AudaCity community app, which is a community where you can connect with myself and like-minded traders, learning the financial markets, and also being a successful trader, enhancing your confidence. So this is a definitely good way to go. So I wish you all the best and congratulations on your journey. And I know you'll be successful moving forward. Well done.